Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Hey there, let's talk about studying for the Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA, certification on your own. It's absolutely doable, and many people have succeeded in getting their CCNA through self-study. The great thing about studying on your own is that you have the flexibility to learn at your own pace and work around your schedule. Plus, it can be a lot more cost-effective than formal training courses. When you're self-studying, you can really tailor your approach to what works best for you. Maybe you're a visual learner and prefer watching video tutorials, or perhaps you like to dive deep into textbooks. Whatever your style, there are resources out there to suit you. Speaking of resources, there are some great ones available. The Cisco Press Official Cert Guide Library is a fantastic comprehensive resource. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are free guides online like the one on studyccna.com. For those who prefer a more structured approach, platforms like Udemy offer affordable video courses that can give you that classroom feel from the comfort of your couch. Now, let's talk about the practical side of things. Networking is all about hands-on experience, right? That's where tools like Cisco's Packet Tracer and Boson NetSim come in handy. These simulators let you practice configurations and scenarios in a virtual environment, which is crucial for really getting to grips with the concepts. I won't sugarcoat it. The CCNA exam is pretty challenging. It covers a wide range of topics from network fundamentals to security principles, and you need to know both the theory and how to apply it. A lot of people don't pass on their first try, so don't get discouraged if that happens to you. It just means you need to refine your study approach. One thing that can really help is connecting with others who are on the same journey. There are online communities and study groups where you can share experiences, ask questions, and get support. It's amazing how much you can learn from others who are tackling the same material. In the end, self-studying for the CCNA is all about dedication and smart use of resources. If you stick to a consistent study routine and make the most of the materials available, you've got a great shot at passing that exam. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint, so pace yourself and stay focused. You've got this. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.